Happy Christmas all of you. My name is Aaron. I am studying 5th class. I am telling edition 5th chapter verse 22. Fruits of fruits. Love, joy, love, joy, peace, long suffering, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control.
Very good.